Hey everyone, welcome to my Atomic Wallet review. Find product links below. In this video, I'll share my comprehensive experience using Atomic Wallet. This multi-currency wallet supports over 500 coins and tokens, perfect for managing and exchanging crypto in one place. A key feature is its built-in DEX, letting you swap assets privately without leaving the app. Atomic Wallet gives you full control of your private keys, enhancing security by storing them locally on your device. The intuitive interface suits both beginners and seasoned users. Adding assets and transacting is smooth and easy. For staking enthusiasts, Atomic Wallet offers staking options with various coins, earning you rewards directly in the app. Security-wise, you get password protection, seed phrases, and encryption. While not a hardware wallet, remember to safeguard your keys and recovery phrase. You can also buy crypto directly via bank card, but fees might be higher than on exchanges. Atomic Wallet provides 24/7 support, and I found their response time quick and helpful. Overall, Atomic Wallet is a solid, versatile, and secure crypto wallet with staking and a DEX. It's ideal if you value an all-in-one experience without sacrificing asset control. For seamless crypto management, Atomic Wallet delivers. Check the links below to learn more or try it out.